Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you reset your GoCardless account password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do this, you just simply have to open any of your browser at very first, and after that open gocardless.com and go to sign in page. Now into here you just simply have to select this forgotten password option directly. Tap into that option, and now after tapping into forgotten password, enter your email address. Now tap to submit button, and after submitting your email address, GoCardless will send an email with the password reset link. You just simply have to check your mailbox, and after that you will get this option of reset password into here. Tap to reset password, and then it will lead you to your browser from the mailbox again. Now in here you will get the option to set up a new password for your account, which must be 12 characters at minimum, and after that enter the same password into the second box in order to confirm. Then after that tap to change your password, and your password will successfully be reset. This way you can very easily reset your password into GoCardless. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.